Let's look at how Biocorneum works. Healthy skin is made up of many layers. The top layer, the stratum corneum, protects the layers below and helps to hold moisture in. A surgical incision or injury creates a gap in the protective layers of skin. Within 1 to 2 weeks, skin cells begin to fill the gap, but this new skin cannot hold moisture in as well as healthy skin does. Extra moisture triggers deeper skin layers to produce excessive collagen. Without treatment, this action can lead to abnormal scarring. Treatment with silicone gel reduces water loss that can increase scarring. Biocorneum is your invisible protective shield in the months while the scar heals. Its sunscreen agents protect the scar from sun exposure's darkening effects. This treatment can prevent and minimize the formation of new scars and decrease the appearance of old scars, and help to restore the function of healthy skin. For maximum effectiveness, Biocorneum should be used twice a day for 2 to 3 months.